cabin filter replacement in a Kia Sportage. This is a 2017 model, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace this filter now. So the first thing you're going to do is open the glove box, get in here, pop these out on either side. Then if you look down here, pull that out and it gives you access to this item in here. You just pinch those together, pull out, down, and then it leaves access to the cabin filter. Always follow the correct airflow on the direction you need it. Remove that, clean any dirt or any particles that's remaining inside, and then fit the new cabin filter into it. Just installing the new filter now. Pop it in like that. Pop it in on that side. Push in on there, and you now have the cabin filter installed. Just put back the glove box as you removed it, and the job is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.